So last time we were out, we had a little trouble with our anchor, and the rope is binding up. And basically we're getting a backlash with our, if you can imagine that, we're getting a backlash with our anchor. And the rope's kind of getting all tangled up. So we need to take this plate off, and we're going to see if we can fix this. I thought I'd bring you along on it. You know, it's just a little repair here. Thought maybe you'd want to kind of hang out and see what we're doing here. This is a onboard anchor. It runs off my battery. And I've had this off the other day trying to repair this thing, and I got it all untangled up, and I think it went right ahead and got itself retangled up. This needs to come up here. So I dealt with this the other day. If I thought that would stay and not kill me, it's possible that this screw that's missing here could be creating the issue. So we'll try to replace that. And this may need to stay down to keep things moving the way they're supposed to. They seem very easy screws. They got all tangled up around this for some reason, and I really don't know what the situation is. It's really quite aggravating. Oh, and I got the lock is out, so that's not good. There's our problem. So we get to that point, and then we're in trouble. The knot here is in the way. You can see what's happening. It just binds right up, and it's real aggravating. All right, so we're back in line here. So what I'd like to do is, I really feel like this rope is too small, and I'm thinking that maybe this is the problem. So I am going to take this rope up and put a thicker rope in here. And this is my other problem here too. So we're going to cut this rope. And right off the bat, we're tugging it, and it knotted itself right up. Unbelievable. Unreal. I can't wait to cut it and get rid of it. It's a problem. Okay, gone and goner. So here's the rope I have, and I think this is going to make for a better situation. I think this is going to be a lot better than what we had in there. A little thicker, and this rotates, it pulls from the top. I don't think I'm going to be able to get this through the hole it's got here to tie the knot. It's a little too big. Yeah, so this bigger rope is going to require a bigger hole. Let's see if that helps. These dikes will give me a nice, sharp, clean cut. Not bad. Let's feed that through there. Oh, it quickly. Well, you know what? This rope might just be a little too cheap. But we're gonna see if we can clean that end up with some heat, so that doesn't come apart. Melted the plastic real nice, so, and that's what we wanted. So that shouldn't come apart, and this should be really just a simple one knot, and that's it. Okay, so we got that all knotted in there nice, and I heated that up so that's not going to come apart. And let's start winding this up. The screws are a real pain in the butt to get to. Seems to work as good as it did before, but I don't like that it comes dropping down and I have to shut it off. I had an automatic shut off before, which was kind of nice. That looks pretty good. This basically lost weight as it went. Still locking. I've been having some trouble with this anchor not always stopping me. My thinking was you could still utilize this same rope, put a D-ring on here, hook the chain up to this, and still use this as my line and hook the chain to that. Can we do that? This is a regular drop anchor. This is usually one that you throw out, but I wanted to see if I could retrofit it to be able to utilize it with my drop anchor, my deckhand anchor. There you go. And when you pick it up, it slides out like that. That's the idea. My plan here is whenever I'm having a real tough time with the boat staying in place, my plan is to drop this anchor with this attached, and then we'll have that full anchor. So we're still utilizing the same rope, so I think that'll work. I don't know, maybe not. Okay. So that's all the way up. It is still locking like it's supposed to. The only thing is we don't seem to have that slowdown now, where before it was like not really going down. It'll overspin, and I'm afraid that's going to knot up. But I'm hoping now, with everything screwed up the way it's supposed to be, I still have to tighten that other screw, we can be a little more successful with this anchor. All right, so we're all wrapped up with this project. Got a new rope in here. You can certainly see the thickness differences in the rope, and I'm hoping that's going to keep that from jumping out of the spool. Let me know if any of you have ever tried this and if you had any success with it. The slide anchor is great when you want to slow the boat down, but you still want some movement. But I got to tell you, there's been times where the wind's been so powerful, I've not been able to keep the boat in place with it. So that's why I wanted to grab the regular shore style anchor. Hopefully I can utilize the deckhand to deploy it and bring it back up for us so I'm not getting soaking wet. Thanks for watching this video. I know it was a short one. It's basically just trying to figure out if we can utilize the deckhand anchor setup a little differently with an anchor that's going to hold us in place better. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button if you do like it. Check out our other videos. We got a lot of really cool stuff out there. We also have another channel, Kirk Allen Trucking, and we do all kinds of construction videos on that one. So if you're interested in that channel, I'll have a link to that channel on the description. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day.